This shark suddenly started pushing a turtle toward a boat, almost as if it was asking for help because its friend was struggling to survive. The people on the boat quickly pulled the turtle on board, and what they saw was shocking. A thick fishing line was tightly wrapped around the turtle's neck, making it hard for him to breathe. One of the men immediately took a knife and carefully began cutting the rope, which had dug deep into the turtle's skin. After the line was finally removed, they treated the deep wound with medicine. If that shark hadn't led the turtle to them, it probably wouldn't have survived. Once everything was done, they gently released the turtle back into the ocean. And if this story reminds you that kindness still exists, don't forget to leave a like.